All right, let me show you how to make a button to refresh all your pivot tables in Excel. So here we just have some data in these columns and we have our pivot table here to keep it nice and simple. Now typically to refresh a pivot table, you can right click on the pivot table and hit refresh, or if you select the pivot table, go up to pivot table analyze, you can refresh or refresh all. Now what I'm going to show you is how you can create a button that you can press that will refresh all the pivot tables in your workbook. So this can be kind of helpful if you're in some sort of dashboard and you have a bunch of tabs with data and you don't want to have to manually refresh each pivot table one by one. You can do it all at the same time. So in order to do this, you need to have the developer tab enabled. If you don't have it enabled, right click, go to customize ribbon. On this right side here, make sure developer is checked and then hit OK. And then this developer ribbon should appear for you. Now basically what you need to do to create this button is create a very simple code in VBA. So select Visual Basic. Now I know a lot of times this can seem a little overwhelming and I have a ton of sheets here. But just go up to the insert and insert a brand new module and make sure that it's blank. Now to create your code, you just need to start by typing sub and then you just name it whatever you want. I'll just name it pivot table refresh. Then hit enter and that will create this end sub at the bottom here. I like to hit a couple enters to leave a little bit of space in between the code from the start and the beginning. So we'll start here and then all you need to do is type this workbook dot refresh all. And that's literally it. Then go ahead and save this and you can exit out of VBA or Visual Basic. Now, one thing you might need to do before you can run this code that we had just created is you might need to go to File, Save As, and make sure that this is saved as a macro enabled workbook. You can then go up to the developer ribbon, go to insert, and you can create your button. Go ahead under form controls, just select this first option here, the button. And then you can click and drag to size your button how you'd like. Then once you let go of your click, it's going to ask you to assign a macro to that button. And we can just assign the macro we had just created, so whatever you had created your macro or your code in VBA. In my case, I labeled it pivot table refresh. Then go ahead and hit OK. Then this button will appear, and then I can drag or resize this however I would like. Now when I unselect the button, anytime I click that button, it's just going to run that macro we had created or that code we had created. So if you right click on it, you can then move it around again or resize it. And we're actually going to rename it pivot table refresh. Now, every time we hit this button, it will update our pivot table. So for example, just to kind of show you how this works, we can see here there is widgets A, B, and C. And we can see that there are $85 in revenue per unit for Alice. And so if I delete this line, we should see $20 less in this area. We'll go ahead and hit delete. And then when we click the button to refresh our pivot table, we'll notice that that changed to 65, which was $20 less than 85. But there you have it. That's just a simple way that you can create a button that you might want to put on a dashboard or something to refresh pivot tables all at the same time without manually having to do it for every single pivot table. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.